Ilang ba tayo?
Ayun lang.
Ano ko lang kanya yung
Kaya ano ko na po bang pupunasan? Easy plus, tayo may my bonus, right? Or a water movement. Maybe by the stem. Start working. Magalit mo na yan, right? Pupunasan, right? Wali lang yun eh. Don't forget your flatwares. Inner ninth and inner fourth.
Hindi na ganito.
Yung water knife. Nakaset ko. Don't forget all your shoe plate. Yung shoe plate mo, basic setup tayo. Nakikinig ba kayo? Ang ingay! Your breath plate. Okay. Do not forget also your table napkin. Ngayon yung table napkin, hindi ko ito gagamitin, hindi natin itong pamunas, ha? Gagamitin ko ito, cramming down, some cram down ko. Magalit na kasi. Ko lang yan. Now I'm going to, did you bring your table napkin? No. Wala? Nakukuha ko ng napkin, lalagay ko sa top, aling ng top of my shoe plate. Nakalagay, nakalagay na yan. Okay, ready na siya. So, assume that I have here a flower. Flower. Gawin ko na lang flower. Wala naman akong gagamitin. Then, I will not forget my salt and pepper shaker. Yung tatlong yan, gaganto ko. That is the first thing that I have to place in the top of the table. Okay? Bagay yan. You go now to your table. Okay? Walang tao yan. Kaya pwede. Flour. And your salt and pepper shaker. Nakaslap lang siya. Okay? Next, I'm ready with my flat. I have to bring this with me. Look for one muna. Then I'm going to place my basic setup. Now for basic setup, I have to use my what? First thing that I have to place here is my shoe plate. Bakit? Ang gawin mo muna yung sentro. 1 inch. Then do not forget here, what? The glassware, the stem. Ganyan. Then the flatware. Wakan mo sa waistline, gaganyan mo yan. Okay? 1 inch. 1 inch. 1 inch. Adjust mo. Bakit nagbibidyo? Next, we go now to the left side of the guest. Wala pa kasing tao yan. Okay? Not forget here to place here the fork. Ilagyan mo yan. 1 inch, so i-adjust mo konti. Ganyan mo lang yan. Then, don't forget here the bread plate. The thick part of the fork. And you can place here your butter knife. You can do it this way. One to the center or at the side. Depende po yan. Kumari, ganyan lang yan muna. Gets? That is my basic setup. Now, pag nakita mong hindi sentro, of course, you're going to adjust a little. Ganyan lang yan. Ganito mo konti. Ayan. Okay. Next, ayan po ang basic setup niya. Assume lang ha. Okay, game. Meron akong